Hi everyone, in this video I would like to download and install another community plugin. Now once you click on settings again, you go to community plugins. If you see now, you see installed plugins here. If you see installed plugins, and we have just installed calendar plugin in the last video, and it is showing calendar plugin here. At any point in time, if you want to uninstall the software, you can uninstall it from here. If you want to modify or make any changes, you can click on options here and you can make any changes or settings for calendar. Now let's go back to community plugins and let us try to download and install a different plugin. I'm going to click on community plugins here. I'm going to click on browse. So if you see here, there is this software called Excalidraw. 2593312 users have installed this particular software, and if you see here, it was updated 11 hours ago. It was updated 11 hours ago. It means that this community or this software or this plugin has been really active. There are many users who are downloading this software or plugin, and it is being updated 11 hours ago. So you can definitely trust or rely on these kind of plugins to download and install it on your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Excalidraw, and if you like I said before, you have to read all the details before you install the software. Go through all the information. See, it is showing a lot of good information. It says the Obsidian Excalidraw plugin integrates Excalidraw, a feature rich sketching tool, into Obsidian. You can store and edit Excalidraw files into your vault. You can embed drawings into your documents, and you can link to documents and other drawings to and from Excalidraw. For a showcase of Excalidraw features, please read my blog post here. So once you install this Excalidraw plugin, you're going to view, you're going to make these kind of changes on your software. So it looks like a really cool plugin. It says here is my complete catalog of videos. So you can go through all these details. And if you really like this kind of pictures or information integrated with your Obsidian tool, then you can go ahead and install the software. So I'm going to simply click on install here. It says installing plugin Excalidraw. It says successfully installed plugin Excalidraw. Now what you need to do is, as I said before, you need to enable it. After installing the software, you need to enable it. Okay, I'm going to click on enable. Okay, it says welcome to Excalidraw. The Excalidraw Obsidian plugin is much more than just a drawing tool. So this is much more than just a drawing tool. To help you get started, here is a showcase of the key Excalidraw plugin feature. So it is so beautiful that after installing the software, it is recommending a video for us to watch. So we can click on this video and we can watch this, and this video has already got 2 million downloads. So you can watch this video, you can make a note of all the information in this particular video, and you can customize Excalidraw according to your requirement. So I'm going to close it now. I'm going to scroll it down. I'm going to close this window now, and I'm going to scroll down. If you see now, left hand side under community plugins, you see Excalidraw. Now I'm going to click on it. So after clicking on it, so it shows a lot of information. See, so it says basic. In the basic settings, you can configure options such as displaying release notes after updates, receiving plugin update notifications, setting the default location for new drawings, specifying the Excalidraw folder for embedding drawing into active documents. So you can do a lot of drawings or pictures into your Obsidian tool whenever you create notes. So this is basic. So this, once you click on basic, you can see all the options that are listed under basic. So this is saving. So these are all the options listed under saving. So this is the file name. These are all the settings under file name. So these are AI settings. These are Excalidraw appearance and behavior. So you can modify or you can customize depending upon your requirement. So this creates a better workflow in your day-to-day activity. So if you want to zoom, you can also customize according to your requirement here. So you can, if you want to enable it, you can enable it. If you want to disable it, you can also disable it. It says zoom to fit on view, resize, mouse wheel to zoom by default. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. So these are all beautiful plugins that you can use in your daily life. So I'm going to close it. I'm going to close it now. So if you see now, there are so many options here. On the left hand side, open graph view, new canvas, daily notes, insert template, open command palette. If you see here, it says create new drawing because we have just installed a new software. We have just installed Excalidraw. Now it is showing a new option here which is called create new drawing. So let's see what is going to happen when we click on it. So you click on it. If you see now, it is already showing the information on the screen. So whatever is your requirement, you can simply do it. So let's say, what is this 2? See, so you can draw like this, and this is circle, so you can also draw a circle here, and this seems like a line, so you can draw a line like this. So you can do amazing drawings, you can draw amazing drawings, you can do amazing pictures depending upon you. Maybe you are a project manager or a writer or a researcher. Depending upon your requirement, you can easily you can easily customize it, and you can use it in your daily activities. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.